Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about short story. At first we will discuss the definition of short story, then kinds of short story, elements of short story, and at last we will look at the difference between short story and the novel. So friends, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe to it and hit the bell icon so that you can get every notifications of my upcoming videos. Now without doing further delay, let's start the video. The short story is a record of things and happenings. It is a piece of short fiction which can be read in one sitting. It is much shorter and less elaborate than the novel. And it does not relate the tale of one or more events, but it centers around a single events or episodes. So it is basically the description of what human beings do. It is a sort of things, situation, episodes, characterization or narrative. Means it is a piece of short fiction to be read in 20 to 30 minutes. तो ऐसी ब्रीफ फिक्शनल प्रोज नैरेटिव जो कि नॉवल से शॉर्ट होती है और जिसमें बहुत कम इवेंट्स या एपिसोड्स होते हैं और जिसको सिंगल सिटिंग में ख़त्म किया जा सकता है, मीन्स जिसको सिंगल सिटिंग में एंड किया जा सकता है, उसे ही शॉर्ट स्टोरी कहते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू ह्यूज वॉलपोल, द डेफिनेशन ऑफ शॉर्ट स्टोरी इज़ a short story should be a story, a record of things and happenings, full of incident and accident, swift movement, unexpected development, leading through suspense to a climax and a satisfying denouement. The short story is the most ancient form of literature. There can be two kinds of short stories, like the oral tales and the written ones. The oral tales came into being first and they were called tales, whereas the written tales are extant in the Old Testament and the New Testament. But as a short prose stories, they appeared during the Renaissance literary movement. Well-known short stories in English are O. Henry's The Last Leaf, Catherine Mansfield's The Cup of Tea, Ruskin Bond's No Room for a Leopard, and Oscar Wilde's The Model Millionaire. Now let's discuss the kinds of short story. So basically there are 6 kinds of short story. First one is the romantic story. This kind of story deals with the love story of some characters. Second is the scientific story. This is that story which describes the fact of science in an interesting manner. Third is the story of adventure. This kind of story concerns itself with great achievements of a heroic figure. Fourth is the psychological story. This kind of story takes into the mind of a character. Fifth is the political story. This kind of short story is based on some political problems or subject of the time. Sixth is the social story. This kind of short story deals with the social problems of the day. Now let's look at the essential elements of short story. So like the novel, the short story is also compounded of the elements of plot, character and setting. But in a short story, they cannot be treated with the same details as in novel. They are reduced to the minimum and used only as much as needed to convey the final impression clearly. First element of short story is plot. The plot is the main thing in the short story, in which certain persons act under certain circumstances for a certain purpose. The plot of a short story passes through a number of stages. First is exposition. This is also called the introduction. It gives the circumstances in which the main characters live and move. It gives their social characters likes and dislikes etc. So इसमें background information दी जाती है character और बाकी चीज़ों की. Second is opening incident or generating circumstances. The generating circumstances refers to that which disturbs the normal course of life. It is that event or happening which give rise to action heading towards a crisis. इसमें normal life में problem आने start होते हैं. Third is rising action or crisis. There is a conflict which deals with the various difficulties which are faced by the main character. There is a conflict between the external circumstances and the motives of chief characters. The hero is seen facing a very difficult situation. This conflict causes surprise and increases our interest in the story. इसमें मेन कैरेक्टर के लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम बढ़ जाते हैं और हीरो को उनको फेस करते हुए दिखाया जाता है. Fourth is climax. This is also called the turning point of the story. Readers wonders what will happen next. Will the conflict be resolved or not? The climax sums up the conflict. It is a stage where the danger looms large over the hero. The climax is the apex point of a short story. We do not know the result, like what will happen, and we wait for the result. ये सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट होता है शॉर्ट स्टोरी का. इसमें सस्पेंस होता है और हम रिजल्ट का वेट करते हैं कि आगे क्या होने वाला है, आखिर क्लाइमेक्स क्या होगा स्टोरी का, रिजल्ट क्या निकलेगा. Fifth is falling action. At this stage, resolution begins. Events and complications start to fall into place. These are the events between climax and denouement. After this, we come to what critics call denouement. So, sixth is denouement or resolution. Now, this part of short story deals with the falling action, which leads to the conclusion of a story. It is nothing but rounding off of the short story. Now, second essential element of short story is character. A story can have many characters or just one main character as the focus. The short story has minimum number of characters. It deals with only a few important and relevant features of their characters. These characters are attractive and charming enough to enter our memory. Third essential element of short story is setting or atmosphere. Every scene of the human drama requires a stage and a background which make what is called the atmosphere or setting. This is the characteristic feature of the good short story. These things give a touch of reality to the short story. Fourth essential element of short story is theme. Theme can be defined as the underlying meaning of a story. It is the message the writer is trying to convey through the story. The range of the short story in respect of theme is practically unlimited. A good short story can be written on almost any theme. Fifth essential element is point of view. Means the angle from which the story is told. Means who is narrating the story. There are several variations of point of view. First is first person. In first person, a story told by the protagonist or a character who interacts closely with the protagonist or other characters. For example, speaker uses the pronouns I, me, we. Readers experiences the story through this person's eyes and only knows what he or she knows and feels. Second person. In second person, story told by a narrator who addresses the reader or some other person. Speaker uses pronouns like you, your and yours. Third person. In third person, story told by a narrator who sees all of the action. Speaker uses the pronouns he, she, it, they, his, hers, its and theirs. This person may be a character in the story. Now let's look at the difference between short story and novel. So the short story is to the novel what the one act play is to the drama. Means जो difference one act play और drama में है वही difference short story और novel में है. First difference is short story is a short piece of fiction. It does not cover a large surface of life like the novel. Second difference, the plot of a short story is simple. It avoids lengthy descriptions. It deals with the single episode from the life of its main characters, whereas novel views life as a whole. So it includes many episodes and also a subplot. Third, there are only a few characters in a short story. This is not so in the case of novel. Fourth, the local color and the atmosphere find no elaborate treatment in a short story. It is only with a few touches that the writer of a short story gives us the idea of the background and scene in which the main characters live and move or act and react. So the basic difference is that short story is a record of events or happenings, whereas the novel is a word painting of life as seen, viewed or visualized by its writer. So it's all about the short story. Thanks for watching this video.